Having trouble logging into your Roblox account? Let's fix it quickly. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent successful login. Switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or mobile data connection if needed. Next, ensure your Roblox app or browser is updated to the latest version. Go to the Google Play Store and install any available updates. Outdated versions can cause login issues. If you are sure your username and password are correct but still can't log in, reset your password. Tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your email or phone number linked to your account and follow the instructions sent to reset it. Clear your app or browser cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, App Management, and find Roblox. Tap on it. Tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Also, double check if Roblox servers are down or not. Visit Roblox status page or a reliable server checker to confirm if servers are temporarily offline. You will need to wait for them to come back online. Lastly, ensure there are no restrictions from parental controls or third party security apps that might block your access to Roblox. Disable them temporarily to test. With these steps, your login issue your login issue should be resolved. If the problem persists, contact Roblox support for further help. If this video guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.